Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be cooking tagine. The ingredients I'll be using is going to be 1 pound skinless, boneless chicken strips cut into small cubes. I've added turmeric, pepper, salt, cooked, and I've also, in the same grease, cooked potatoes in small cubes. I'll be using Parmesan cheese, cut parsley. I'm going to be using Laughing Cow cheese. I've diced up 15 cheese wedges, and then we'll be using 15 whisked eggs as well. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and mix everything up. Potatoes, Parmesan cheese, and let me go ahead and add in whisked eggs, Parmesan, parsley, I'm sorry, this is parsley. And then we'll go ahead and add the cheese until we put it in the baking pan. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this here. I'm going to go ahead and get my oven. Greased it with shortening. I'm going to go ahead and even that out. And then the thing I like to do with the cheese is just cover it up inside the tagine. We're going to put in the oven for 30 minutes at 375. We'll go ahead and put this in the oven and I'll be back. Yeah, I just took out the tagine out of the oven. This is how it should look. So we're going to go ahead and plate it and then we'll be back. Okay, we're done plating the tagine. So this is how it should look. Thank you for watching my video, and we'll see you on the next one.